What up, guys? We're over here at I don't know, Desert Wells. Got these new little air down devices. Shout out to these guys. We're gonna start airing down with these and see how these compare to my all-top overland air down devices. But it's air down. All right, so if you look at these bad boys, we're gonna twist that bottom one over to 15 psi. You see that? 15 psi. Screw that locking cap on. Boom, boom. Okay, and then we're gonna
yard it 26.
Push this in here. Pull that. Let it rip. Yeah, check these out. These are pretty badass. I'll put a little link in the description for these air down deflators. They work a lot better than the all top overland ones. More accurate. Should I purposely do the hard line?
It's up to you.
No! Where's it at? Oh, shit. Shit. We fucking... There's like a fucking rock stuck in here, man. Oh, no. That's not good. Fuck. This. God damn it, bro. The first fucking obstacle.
You didn't even notice, dude. It was so loud.
Did I? I thought that was my rock sliders. Hit some more shit, I guess.
You can see how much PSI came out, right?
PSI we got back here.
I think you probably lost 3 pounds. How many pounds did you lose?
Ooh, 5 pounds.
5 pounds.
We're gonna just add this to the driver display. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's go bounce the beat back on. This might do it. Oh, my paint. Oh, this one will do it, definitely. There's the bed. Oh, we're at 9 psi now. That ain't good. We're losing it.
God damn.
8 psi. I'll pump her up a little bit here. Well, doing that little off-camera section, our tires were a little too pumped down. We folded the bead over and got a bunch of shit in the bead, and then it started leaking from that hole. We pumped it up, and it looks like it's holding air, so we're gonna keep having fun. I'm not gonna let that stop us. I'm sorry, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Try to get some sick videos for you guys. So, Downtime Loss on Instagram. Check it out. out Desert Wells. That's Superstition Mountain right here. And hopefully next week you guys will get a video of the Add-A-Leaf and the, what are they called? The Timbrin bump stops. So we got that going on the truck because we smashed the rear down a couple times today because it is 1 inch lower when I took that shitty block out. So next week's video is gonna be good, I swear, I promise you. We're still working on what color wrap we want for the truck, so I'm still thinking, guys, we have to wait till the summertime a little bit, so if I do get the cheap wrap, it doesn't rip when I go to stretch. I'm not sure if I want to go 3M or Vivid. Let me guys know if you've ever used Vivid or 3M. Let me know. But she's looking real good right here. Look at that. I still love the black color, but we still have a bunch of scratches we have to deal with. We're coming out here to get some Instagram shots, so follow my Instagram, Downtime Lost on Instagram. I'm trying to grow that Instagram. I just got to 1,000, so go follow my Instagram, guys. I really appreciate it. All right, a little update on the tire issue that we did right when we got here. The first little obstacle, we folded the tire over, got the dirt in the bead, and yeah, she's all good. She held air, so we're good to go. We're gonna hope. So last week I got a full alignment on this thing, drove straight as hell. We'll see when we get back to the main road how straight it is, because GM really sucks at holding alignment. I'm thinking about getting those Dirt King locking cams, but I'm not quite sure if they'll fit on the 23 model. I know they fit on the Colorado and the Silverados. They look exactly the same, but I'm tired of getting alignment. I'm sure Big O Tire is tired of me bringing it in there to get a free alignment every time. So thinking about that. Hope you liked that video. We got lost on the way home and we did get to enjoy this beautiful sunset right here. So next week's video is gonna be really good. We're doing the Add-A-Leafs from Peak and the Timbrin off-road bump stops in the rear. So we're gonna dial in the rear suspension a little bit. But yeah, that first clip today smashed my shit up. Tire's still holding air. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Appreciate you guys watching. You guys are awesome. Take it easy. Love you. Bye.